Good day, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel iNewsU. Today, we have some exciting updates from the world of space exploration, as Chennai-based space startup Agnikul Cosmos faced another setback in their mission to launch the Agnibaan suborbital rocket. Let's dive into the details. Agnikul Cosmos had been gearing up for the maiden launch of their 3D-printed, semi-cryogenic Agnibaan rocket, but unfortunately, just 129 seconds before liftoff, the launch was called off due to a communication issue in the onboard hardware. This was the third attempt at the test launch since March 22, and despite meticulous preparations, including rescheduling the launch from 5:30 a.m. to 7:50 a.m., the mission faced yet another delay. The Agnibaan rocket is a customizable, two-stage launch vehicle designed to carry payloads of up to 300 kilograms into orbit. It utilizes a semi-cryogenic engine, a technology that is yet to be demonstrated by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. What's fascinating is that Agnikul has incorporated several innovative features into the Agnibaan rocket. It boasts the world's first single-piece 3D-printed semi-cryogenic engine, named Agnikul, and is equipped with an Ethernet-based avionics architecture. During the planned mission, the Agnibaan rocket was set to perform a series of maneuvers, including a pitch-over maneuver and wind biasing maneuver, to ensure a smooth ascent into space. At 1 minute and 29 seconds into the flight, the rocket was expected to reach apogee, the farthest point from the launch site, before splashing down at just over 2 minutes, marking the completion of the mission. Despite the setback, the Agnikul team remains undeterred. They are determined to identify and address the root cause of the communication issue before rescheduling the launch. The Agnibaan rocket represents a significant step forward in India's private space sector, aiming to complement the efforts of ISRO in advancing space exploration. As we await further updates from Agnikul Cosmos, let's reflect on the incredible progress made by private space companies in recent years, showcasing the power of innovation and collaboration in the pursuit of space exploration. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting developments in the world of space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.